Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to download Windows 11 for free. First, go to Microsoft.com. In here, you have to sign in first. I will sign in, then I will come back. Once you're signed in, as I'm signed in right now, so come down. In the bottom here is Download Center. Click on it. Come to Windows. Then in here you can choose Windows 8.1, Windows 10 and Windows 11. So we want to download Windows 11. In here there are a couple of options, so come to here, select this ISO, then click on download. You have to select United States or any other language you like. Click confirm. Then you click on 64-bit download, as this option is given for us, so we will wait until it is downloaded. As you can see, I'll pause the video. Then after downloaded, you can use the ISO image and use a USB drive, then make it a bootable, write the Windows 11 image on it, then you can use the Windows to install it in your PC and laptops. Thanks for watching.